Okay, so I'm trying to get out of the wind here. It's Wednesday morning. We're just below Mount Sherman, about 13,000 feet up. Mount Sherman's a 14,000 footer. There's some small mines down here. We're gonna see what we got.
Take my hand, yeah, take my hand.
Okay, we stopped along County Road 18 just to check out some of the beaver stuff. A lot of beaver lodges in this area. There's one right there. Okay, so we stopped along County Road 18 and the scenery is just spectacular. Okay, crystal clear water. It's all a snow runoff coming out of the mountains, and quite an elegant little stream down here. So anyway, we're going to enjoy this for a moment. Okay, so we're gonna head up that road up there. There's a couple of mines. So we're gonna go up there, get a little bit of photo and video, see what we got. Okay, so we're just below the summit of Mount Sherman, which is over 14,000 feet. So I'm at about 13.5 right now. Found this old mine up here. Of course, we didn't find it. It's been here for a while, so that's pretty interesting. Looks like there's quite a bit of activity back here in the day. So Milena and Elizabeth, they went ahead to the summit. I'm holding back a little bit. Oxygen deprivation kind of kicking my butt. So I'm taking it slow and easy. But anyway, 13,500 feet, just below the summit of Mount Sherman. Okay, so making our way back down, or my way. They're back behind me there. So it's a pretty tough little hike, you know, at this altitude. So anyway, just below the summit of Mount Sherman. Wasn't not accessible. Too much ice, too much snow, and without cold weather and winter gear. That's a shame because it's end of June. It just was not accessible. So another mission for another time. But for now, we're heading back down to the vehicle. And if there's no dadgum tourists around, we may get the drone out. We'll be back. Okay, so we're going to try a drone flight. We're going to try to go to that shack over there.
Ready to start.
See if we can get some video. See what this thing does.
2, 1.
Look at it. I'm going to sit there for a second. I'm not even touching it. Couldn't do that. It did that on its own. Wow. That's pretty bad, you know it? Yeah. Right? When it flies on its own, I'm not doing that. Come on, Karma, get stable, damn it. Alright, he's doing a little better. What do you think, Andreas? Go for it? You up for a rescue if it doesn't make it?
Yeah.
Alright, so we made a flight with this. This is the third time this has happened. When we first got this GoPro, it was really dependable. And now it just has a mind of its own. I didn't even lose contact. It just decided it wanted to land out there in the valley. Andreas went down there and did an alpine rescue mission on it. You know, the only damage is all the blades are broke, but what are we going to do with it now? It's the third time to lose contact and just do its own thing. We'll be back. Okay, camera's recording. Looks like it still works after a crash. So it flips automatically. We're recording out of the GoPro. We're going to put it back in here and do a function check. We'll be back.
Uy, si estos animales allá.
Okay, we're good.